The Blacklyte Athena X gaming chair is a testament to the evolution of gaming furniture, blending modern aesthetics with cutting-edge ergonomic design to deliver an exceptional seating experience. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Firstly, let's quickly unbox and assemble the chair. At the core of the Athena X is an ergonomic design that ensures comfort during long hours of gaming or working. The chair features dedicated supports for the shoulders, back, and lumbar areas, which are thoughtfully reinforced by a robust steel frame. This integrated support system provides unmatched stability, ensuring that your posture remains correct and strain-free, no matter how intense your gaming or work sessions become. The ergonomic lumbar support system adapts perfectly to your body's needs, minimizing fatigue and discomfort over extended periods. What truly sets this chair apart is its up to 168 degrees of recline and rocking functionality. When working, the 90 degrees upright position offers firm support for maximum focus. For moments of relaxation, the 120 degrees recline is perfect, allowing you to lean back and decompress. The chair's 168 degrees recline turns it into a near horizontal bed, delivering exceptional comfort and ergonomic precision in every angle. The addition of the carefree mode with a 1 to 14 degrees rocking range allows for smooth, gentle rocking motions, adding a sense of ease and relaxation during moments of rest. The integrated keel steel frame ensures that this chair is built to last, providing long-term durability and solid support for users of all sizes. What's equally impressive is the reinforced aluminum wheelbase, designed with the perfect balance of weight and strength. This reinforced structure is tuned with additional ribs and gussets, significantly enhancing the chair's structural integrity. The adjustable 4D armrests are another feature that elevates the Athena X above standard gaming chairs. These armrests can be customized in 4 directions, providing tailored support for any scenario. They can move 1.77 inches forward or backward, 0.31 inches side to side, and be raised by up to 2.95 inches. The armrests can also rotate 15 degrees, offering you complete control over positioning. The seat of the Athena X is made with high elasticity memory foam, which molds to your body and provides a custom-fit seating experience. This foam base ensures optimal weight distribution, relieving pressure points and providing a cushiony yet firm seating experience. The memory sponge adapts to your body's shape and movement, ensuring that comfort is maintained no matter how long you sit. One of the standout features of the Athena X is its advanced wheels, which provide effortless mobility without compromising floor integrity. The chair glides smoothly across different surfaces, from hard floors to carpets, without scratching or damaging them. This floor-friendly design is a key advantage for those who value the condition of their floors, adding another layer of practicality to the chair's list of benefits. You can move it across the room with ease, knowing that the wheels are engineered to be gentle yet durable. A unique feature of the Athena X is its magnetic headrest. Unlike traditional fixed headrests, this one is magnetically attached, allowing you to easily adjust its position to suit your height and comfort preferences. This adjustable headrest provides tailored neck and head support, ensuring that you maintain a comfortable posture whether you're sitting upright or reclining. It's a thoughtful addition that enhances the chair's ergonomic credentials, making it a truly customizable seating experience. Combined with the ergonomic design, this seat ensures you stay comfortable, no matter how intense your gaming sessions or workdays become. In conclusion, the Blacklyte Athena X gaming chair offers everything you could want in a premium gaming chair. It combines ergonomic design with adaptable recline options, durable construction, and fully adjustable armrests, making it a top choice for gamers and professionals alike. Whether you're sitting for long work hours, marathon gaming sessions, or just kicking back to relax, this chair provides the comfort, stability, and support needed to keep you going. Its sleek design and high-quality materials make it a worthwhile investment, promising to elevate both your gaming and working experience to a whole new level. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.